Salam. Oh, hello guys. How are you? This is cybersecurity from YouTube and Facebook. Oh, and don't forget to like my page and subscribe my channel. Also, if you check my website barkub.com and learn some tutorials on Python or whatever you like, there are a lot of tutorials on my website and also on my YouTube. Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how we can create a cryptocurrency wallet for free. Yeah, for free. And let me open my browser. Here is my guest browser. I'm going to try temporary email. If it works, then good. If it doesn't, then we will use my personal email address. Here is the good one. It will generate a temporary email. Yeah, this is our email. Just click here, it will be copied in your and here is blockchain. Yeah, let's see here. 62 million wallets available, and let's sign up. And here I copied my email, and here I'm gonna write it. Here is the password. I will write my password and create wallet. Successfully created. Here is our account, and welcome to blockchain. Do you know about blockchain? If you don't know, tell me in the comment section. I will teach you that in the next video. And right now it just suggests us to buy crypto now. If you have money, you can do that. If you don't have, just skip that right now. Here is the Bitcoin price right now. The January or calendar is 12/18/2020. So it's increasing after every day. Yesterday it was $23,000 one Bitcoin. So you could buy it when it was cheap, or when it comes to low price you can buy it, and when it is high you can sell it and become a millionaire. Good. Here is a verification email. You can click on this button, it will be verified. Yeah, your email address is verified. And let me refresh this page. Here is your wallet ID. You will use your wallet ID and save it in a safe place. Don't forget this one, it is really important. And here is, you will write your password, and we have successfully logged in. When you try to log in, every time I think it sends you an email. You have to confirm that by your email. Yeah, check this. authorize login attempt. You have to check this. And login approved. Nice. Here you will be logged in. Yeah, nice, really nice. And let's check other things in this website. If you click on Bitcoin here, it will show you information about Bitcoin, its price, or the increase or decrease in this week. Or you can request Bitcoin now, you can buy, you can sell if you have, and here other cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin Cash, and more. Okay, for requesting you can click here, request, and there are different currencies here. You can choose any type of currencies you want. If I want to receive Bitcoin from someone, I click on Bitcoin, and here is my Bitcoin wallet, and here is the address. You see, if I want to request, I just copy this and send to the person who wants to send me Bitcoin. Oh, Bitcoin. Yeah. If you have any question, just let me know and ask me in the comment. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and also like this video if it was useful for you. Have a good time and see you later.